Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at a Cloudlifter. Now, if you don't know what a Cloudlifter is, basically it's a fancy way to get actually more boost out of your microphone. And I'm actually talking to my through my Audio Technica AT2040, actually using the Cloudlifter. I reduced the modulation on the amp by 50%. It's super clean. What do you think? I'm doing a review on that, so stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. I'm going to show you my microphone. I'm going to hook it up. I'm going to do a sound test with it and without it so you can hear the difference. So right now we're just doing the unboxing on this Cloudlifter. It has a lot of fancy electronics in it. Basically just really clean gain, made in the USA, model CL-1. That's what it is. And I wanted to get something just to boost the gain a little bit more. When I picked up this microphone, I was at my Focusrite 2i2 at 3/4 to almost like 90%. Now I'm running at 50%. You won't believe it when I show you that video. So subscribe to the channel. I'll do the next video. I'll show you the comparison with it, without it, and you'll just be blown away. Great podcast microphone for really not a lot of money. So definitely the way to go. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. If you're enjoying the videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me, as always, as you know. So I like to do these videos and just to show you a little bit what it looks like. I'm going to do some measurements so you can see. So stick with me so you can see the size of this thing, and just get I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you the measurements. I'm going to look at the whole thing all around so you get an idea what it looks like. A lot of times you look online, all you see is a box. You don't really see what's inside the box. So I want to show you what it looks like in the box. So inside the box is basically a pamphlet and a little cover, and that's about it. So the pamphlet's very easy, very clean, gives you some information about their products and additional products that they do have available. This is the entry level. I definitely recommend the higher quality on the Cloudlifter. The other items out there, but for my experience, I think this is the best. And if you're gonna do it the best. So this is what it looks like. It's heavy. It's beefy. Inside it has proprietary information. I think it's transistor resistor kind of way they do the information behind it. But it does sound great. It's got some rubber feet in the bottom, as you can see here. The build quality is amazing. It's blue, as you can see here. It has an LXR in and an LXR out, and that's pretty much it. It's a line, so you put it between your microphone and your amplifier or your booster or your preamp, whatever you're using. And that's how I have it set up right now. So I'm actually talking to you on my microphone through the Cloudlifter into my Focusrite 2i2 with 50% gain. That's all it needs, even a little bit less if I wanted to. I'm about 1.5 inches away from my microphone, and you can hear how the quality is. I can hear myself through I'm listening to my headphones, and it sounds pretty good to me. So what do you think how it sounds? Let me know. Leave some comments down below, and we'll do a full comparison video. So this is what it looks like here. It is heavy. It is quality, and you can do it. It has a little the ridge in the bottom. You can actually zip tie it to a microphone if you want to a stand, pretty much any way you want to. Let's get some measurements of this thing here, so you can see it's around 4.5 inches long, as you can see here. So it's not too big. The width of it is around 1 3/4 inches, approximately, right around there. And the depth is about the same with the feet, if you add the feet in. So that's the dimensions, circumference of this actual item. It's really pretty small, but it really weighs a lot. It's got some quality build. So it could be, I mean, I wish somebody would do an unboxing, like open this up and see what's really inside of it. But I don't think anybody's done that yet, but that'd be kind of a cool video to do. So I think that's really something that somebody should do, is open that up. Someone who really knows the technology, and take a look at it and see what it is. All right, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. I just want to do a quick unboxing. I want you to hear what it sounds like, what to look forward to. Like I said, I'm doing it with it and without it. And you do need the ribbon microphone, or this microphone here is compatible with it. It's the Audio Technica AT2040. It's only $99. I'll leave links down below for the Cloudlifter and also this microphone, because it's really fantastic. For under $250, you get a great podcasting system. You don't have to spend a ton of money for the Shure microphone. I think there's just too much money, in my opinion. This sounds just as good. What do you think? All right, guys, that's it I have for you right now. I'll see you at the next one.